Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix unable to add a fingerprint on Mac. So if your Mac isn't letting you register a new fingerprint, there could be a few simple reasons behind it. Your finger or the Touch ID sensor might be dirty. You may have to already reached. That's the first reason. The second reason could be you may have already reached the maximum number of saved fingerprints, that is 3, or the sensor may not be reading your finger properly. So before trying anything more advanced, it's good idea to check these common causes first. Here's the one easiest way to fix the problem. First, click on the Apple menu and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Touch ID and Password. And now as you can see here, I have already added 3 fingerprints. That's why I can't see the option to add one more. That's the first reason. If this is the case in your Mac as well, then you first need to remove one fingerprint and then add the new one. And to remove it, you need to take the cursor to the fingerprint you want to remove and then click on this cross icon right here. After that, you need to verify yourself and then you have to follow the on-screen instructions to remove the fingerprint. And while scanning, make sure after deleting the fingerprint, click on add fingerprint and try registering the new finger again. And while scanning the fingerprint, make sure your finger and the Touch ID sensor is clean and dry. Also place your finger on the sensor naturally and slightly adjust its position and whenever your Mac asks you to. If the fingerprint still can't add it, restart your Mac and try setup it again. Hopefully your Mac should now allow to add a new fingerprint successfully, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.